Luck struck.
I'm proud of you, honeybee. When I was a young man working at a record label, I had to convince a rock band to return to the stage.
And you succeeded brilliantly?
Nope, the rock band walked out, and I had to sing instead. There's a reason I'm not a rock star.
You've got to help me.
Okay, alright, I got one last trick. It's purely experimental, but it might work. You up for it?
Yes.
Remember, it's experimental.
Just do it. I hoo-hooped, I belched, I gurgled pickle juice, The hiccups. They're gone. You just kissed me.
What did we miss?
Noah got rid of my hiccups. Thanks so much, y'all, and I wouldn't be here tonight if it weren't for Amanda, and I happen to know she's one heck of a singer. So give it up for the fierce Miss Pierce. Thanks, Sherry, and thanks, Daddy. This one's for you. All them other boys and how they act immature, find them annoying. It's your smile, it's your eyes, I'm in love tonight, I won't lie, gotta make you mine. Could you be the one for me, the one who makes my dreams come true, my Prince Charming? 'Cause I will be the one for you, we'll make this fairy tale come true. 'Cause I don't wanna be a Cinderella, promise that I'll love you from now until forever. Now until forever. I wanna be a Cinderella, 'cause everything is better whenever we're together. I wanna be a Cinderella, be a Cinderella, now until forever, now until forever. I wanna be a Cinderella, 'cause everything is better whenever we're together.
Yeah, what about it?
Just an experiment to cure the hiccups?
No, it was the allure of pickle breath. I thought I made that part clear.
You did, but I was doing a little bit of reading about hiccups.
Of course you were.
And they aren't just caused by spicy foods. They start if you're nervous, like over a test or a deadline, or if you lied about a kiss. So you better be telling the truth or you might get the hiccups.
Why would I lie? I only kissed you to cure the hiccups.
Okay. Just making sure.